Okay, this is for if you are running the Catalina operating system for Mac, then you want to pay close attention to this video. While it is simple, you just have to pay attention. So I'm going to take you to Audacity. And since I've already searched it, here it is. And as you see, the macOS 10.15, which is the Catalina version, does not support Audacity 2.3.2. Now, what I don't know is if it supports anything before this version of Audacity. I don't know about that part, but I just want to show you how you can get Audacity to work using Catalina. Now, what you're going to need, so here it's basically giving you the instructions, but I want to show you what it looks like. So you're going to go to Applications. So I'm going to go up here to my Applications right here. And then in Applications, you're going to go to Utilities. In Utilities, you're going to open Terminal. Okay. That's all you're going to do with that. And you're not going to do, you're not going to change anything that's there, but you are going to add this snippet, this command. Okay. So you're going to highlight, you're going to copy that. So you can copy it that way. Right. Then let's bring Audacity back. There's a way you can do this without doing all this, but I don't know what it is at the moment. And then you're going to paste it. You're just going to paste it. Okay? Then you're going to hit return on your keyboard. And it's going to automatically open Audacity using that command. Okay? This is going to allow you to use Audacity. So we're going to pull in this, that's actually, I want audio. So we're going to pull in this, it's just a music audio. We're going to pull it in real quick. Oops. Let me see. I don't know if you can drop and drag in Audacity. Oh, you can. I never did drop and drag before. I usually do import, but there you go. You can just drop and drag. So let's see if it works, because sometimes it's a little tricky and it doesn't work. Boom. All right. So now here's the thing. As long as you're using Audacity, you have to have this terminal open. Don't close it. If you close it, you're going to have to quit Audacity and start over. But if you're running Catalina, that's exactly how you have to use Audacity, or it will not work. All right. There you have it.